Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete multiple Gmails on your email. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will simply start our video. For the matter, what you would do is first of all simply going to access your Gmail in your mobile phone or in your desktop or laptop. Now once you're in this your Gmail section, you will find this kind of interface over here, right, with all of the messages that you have received over here. So for you to delete all of your emails, first of all, the simple would be simply long pressing on that, and you will individually select them and tap on the delete option, and then you will be deleting your emails, right? But that way you simply can select multiples at once and delete them. So yes guys, simply going selecting it, and the other option would be for you going to 3 horizontal line, go ahead, tap on this option called all mails below, and this will show you all emails from to attachment and dates as well. You can go ahead, filter it according to your need, and simply go ahead, press on one and long press on that particular email, and go ahead, select all of them from over here, and you can delete them at once. So that would be it guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.